Hello, my name is Mustafa Sanhu. Oh, yes. Yes. These days there are some keywords in mechanical engineering science, especially in solid mechanics, such as fault diagnosis or mechanical fault detections. One of the most important equipment in aerospace engineering science, or especially mechanical industries, this rotary system. Rotary system includes some main items or components such as bearing, shaft, propellers, coupling, electrical motor, supports, stand test. So all of these components are facing risks in some conditions, especially in mechanical faults, such as misalignments, imbalancing, corrosion, and cracks, especially in solid mechanics. So in this slide and in this study, we are focusing about the corrosion. Is the one of the mechanical fault, especially in bearing. We are talking about unhealthy spherical roller bearing, especially a kind of friction on inner diameter of the area on the inner of these bearing. So these fault, it can take a risk so many problems in future. So every engineer, especially mechanical engineer in signal processing, especially sound and vibration processing, has to consider about these problems for estimating and such as predicting lifelong of the components. For example, bearing. So, before slides, my friends talked about the two newest algorithms, AMS and PMS. Both of them are one of the visualization result of signals. So in this experimental test, we had some sound processing, sound data from 6 models, 6 types of models. All of these models were failed because of corrosion. What is a corrosion? Corrosion is a kind of friction. It's kind of cutting inner layers of the inner surface of bearing. So both of these algorithms are showing 2 factors. The first factor is accumulation of friction or accumulation of corrosion. The next one is fluctuation. So the minimum values of friction or corrosion of these models are the first one. And the second model bearing is the maximum corrosion, or in the other hand, the maximum cutting layers on the inner surface of bearing. Because you can easily see there are so many critical zones, critical red colors, or there are so many red points in second models. So what is the features of these models? In these models, we can easily replace some failed bearings when we have some restrictions and limitations because of cost or financial difficulties. Yes.